Is YouTube TV and Google the same? Not exactly, but they're closely connected. YouTube TV is a live TV streaming service owned by Google, as YouTube itself is a subsidiary of Google. This means YouTube TV operates under Google's umbrella, benefiting from its technology and infrastructure. However, YouTube TV is a standalone product designed specifically for live TV streaming, offering channels like ESPN, ABC, and Fox, along with features like cloud DVR and 6 simultaneous streams. Google, on the other hand, is a massive tech company offering a wide range of products and services beyond YouTube TV, including Google Search, Gmail, Google Drive, and Android. While Google manages YouTube TV, the two are not interchangeable. Google isn't a TV service, and YouTube TV isn't a search engine or tech platform. In short, YouTube TV is part of Google's ecosystem, but it's a specialized service focused on live TV streaming rather than Google's broader offerings. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks.